Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a MELODYSUSIE e-file haul, and I'm literally in the middle of filming a tutorial and I need to file the nails, so makes perfect sense to test this bad boy out. Okay. Nailed it. Ooh, guys, look at that. You guys know I love a good, okay, this might be super comparable. I can't function with these nails. How am I supposed to pick this up? This is my Kupa. I mean, that's pretty close. Let's see. Look at all these goodies. I guess I probably should have filmed this part before. Ooh, okay. You're gonna have to forgive my lack of ability to use my left hand. You know what? Let me just hold it. There is your sound. Not too bad. This is your power adapter that you can plug it in. And this is a nice kit. Like, look at this. This is for your drill bits. Oh, look at how cute that is. And here are some drill bits that they included. And these are your diamond bits. Look at how sparkly the diamond bits. That's when you know they are really good, is when they are super sparkly. And then you have your little brush cleaner, so you can use that to clean off your bits. Comes with 5 different files, 100 and 180. And then, ooh, okay, they also give you a safety. So that's how you know it's a safety, when it has that little side and doesn't have, sorry, I literally am looking at my hands and they're like ridiculous. And it doesn't have those flat edges, even though that is pretty flat. So I'm gonna use that one. Okay, to open your file, you just turn, which you guys know that is my preferred locking mechanism, not the push and hope for the best. Perfect. A little clip. And this one, they give you a nice manual too. Like, they give quite a bit in this manual. And I believe this one goes to 30,000 RPMs. And the bit I'm using is the Series Bit X. I like their little case for it. It's like the standard case, but they actually put their stuff on it, which I like a lot. So for my sake, I'm going to use a dust collector, which I don't have plugged in. 10 out of 10. Worked amazing. This is my favorite MELODYSUSIE e-file I have tested. I can link my playlist below. I think I've tried 2 or 3 different MELODYSUSIE ones, plus I tried 3 or 4 different brands as well. It ate through the gel like butter. I mean, my hands are super awkward, but like it got through some of my bulky pieces and it just worked so stinking well. Again, I feel like a fool, but was not vibrating at all. That was huge for me because you never know with e-files if you're gonna get a lot of vibration, especially because I have like, this is how I normally wear my nails. And so needless to say, that is significantly longer than I normally wear, and it worked so well. Again, 10 out of 10 for me, 100% comparable to my Mani Pro, which I actually didn't file in this video because this one just worked so well. I didn't necessarily feel like I needed to compare it because literally it worked just as good as that. Yeah, I'm in love. This, I have to go check to see how much this is. I have not looked at it, but usually their e-files are around $30. They can get up to about $120. 30. I have to check to see how much this is. Their e-files are usually anywhere from 60 to 120. Since this was a kit with the drill bit, the diamond bits, which are great for natural nails, plus the plus these guys as well. So this is probably gonna be on their higher end, but I will make sure to link it below. Again, 10 out of 10, super happy about this one. Yeah. All right, guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.